So when is forming an LLC or some other entity worthwhile? Well, like we said in other videos, first you have to be working through your LLC. You can't be an employee and somehow assign yourself as an LLC worker or self-employed. You have to actually find an arrangement with the facility in which they are willing to treat you as an independent contractor or pay you directly through your LLC or company. So if you're able to find that, and we'll talk about that in another video as well, and I'll even be able to give you a couple of resources for that. But if you're able to do that, one of the first things you need to make sure is that the amount of your bill rate that you receive is at least 20% more than what you would get if you were an employee. And why is that? Well, first off, nobody's withholding your taxes for you. And because you are self-employed, you stand in the shoes of both the employee and the employer.
Okay.
Which means the Social Security and Medicare tax is now doubled. Right there is a 7.65% hit on anything that you earn. Then you have other time-related expenses, estimated payments every quarter. Then you have your benefits. You're not going to get benefits working as an independent contractor through your LLC. So you have to find ways to substitute those that you would get had you been working as a W-2 employee. And then lastly, lodging. When you work for an agency, they can give you the full lodging allowance. But if you're working through your own company, you can only deduct the actual expenses, not the GSA rate, which might be higher than your actual expenses. So again, first thing, make sure you can get at least 20% more than that bill rate. And if you can, you might have a workable alternative.